Hello, and today I will be talking about the central idea and the main idea. So, the central idea expresses and describes the speech as a whole. Therefore, when discussing the central idea of something, you are discussing the purpose and the topic of the speech put into a declarative statement. Furthermore, the central idea of a speech is interchangeable with the thesis. So the central idea is what the whole speech is talking about, what it's all about, what it's doing, and what is the overall view of the speech. When talking about main points or the main idea, um, they are both interchangeable, so they both mean the same thing. A main idea and the main point are both the reasons or statements that support the central idea of a speech. Additionally, through having strong main ideas, the whole speech, including its message and central idea, can be strengthened. So when looking at this example, um, climate change is caused by human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and farming. This is a professional thesis including both the central and main ideas. The central idea is that humans are the cause of climate change. So, because the whole speech in this case would be regarding um, the human effect on climate change. The main ideas, however, are what supports this overall view, which is the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and farming. These are the three human causes of climate change. They support the central idea. In the second example of a professional thesis, the life of a typical college student is characterized by studying, attending classes, and socializing with peers. So the central idea is that there are many aspects to the everyday life of a college student. This is a declarative statement, and it is talking about the or in, about informing the reader on the life of a college student. And then the main ideas are the specifics to this topic, studying, attending classes, and socializing with peers, which all support the central idea of the speech. In this third example, um, lifeguarding is a great way to spend your days on the beach, but the work includes training, teaching, and lots of practice, making it more challenging than what you see on Baywatch. The central idea is obviously lifeguarding is more challenging than what it may appear. It's talking about the challenges of lifeguarding. And the main ideas will go into the specifics training, teaching, practice. They're all what makes lifeguarding challenging, which is the central idea, the challenges of lifeguarding. There is a very important connection between these two, and it's that they are all relating to the topic in some way. So the central idea is a declarative statement including the topic in some form. It talks about the topic and which is what the whole speech is about. The main idea talks about are the specifics to the topic, which in order to support the central idea or the overall purpose and topic of the speech, which is what makes up the central idea. To add on to that, a good thesis or central idea includes both the central idea and the main point, so they both go together. So this will conclude my presentation for today, and these are the citations that I used to find my evidence. Thank you for listening.